Hi all, welcome to my channel Falcon Geeks. In today's video, we will discuss about multi-level inheritance. So what is multi-level inheritance? When a class extends a class which extends another class, then it's called multi-level inheritance, which means we'll have two parent class and one child class. I'll explain this with the diagram. So you can see in this diagram, so we have class A, class B and class C. So class C extends class B and class B extends class A, which means B is the parent class or a superclass of class C and A is the parent class and the superclass of B. So in this case, class C is implicitly inheriting the properties and methods of class A along with the class B. So that is why it is called multi-level inheritance. Okay, let me explain with the example. So I'll just create the superclass with the name vehicle. So I'll write a method here. So print statement. Let me create another class. So in this I'll extend so I'll extend the vehicle class here. And also I'll write a method here in car class. I'll print something. So I'm just printing something. Now I'll create the child class. In this I'll have the main method. So here I'm going to extend car. Here I'll also add one print statement. So now I'll create the object for this class. So I've created the object for this class. Now I'll call the methods. So you can see, so we have a car details, also vehicle details methods. This is from the superclass grandparent, this method, and I'll also call a method from the superclass parent class of this car. Now I'll run this. So you can see, so this is from the child class, and vehicle type which is from the grandparent, and racing car is from the parent class, and car price is also. So this is how we can use this multi-level inheritance concept. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.